So welcome back. In the previous chapter, we familiarized ourselves with a co-creation approach in the S package. In this session, it is getting more strategic. Focus on audience, project prioritization, and look how to prosper from an economic perspective. This chapter is for those of you who are familiar with basic design thinking, have several smart projects up and running, and look for ways how these can work together in the best possible way. We will dive deeper into understanding and prioritizing of projects, learn about several testing methods, and what you can learn from the results. We help you how to set up a concept for collaborative urban development. The workshop's time span is 3 to 4 weeks. This longer time frame gives us the opportunity to deeper dive into some of the decisive aspects of the sustainable development of services. You learn more about the audience you develop solutions for. How do they live? In which context will they use your applications? What are their experiences and expectations towards your services? And we will think about with which knowledge and data they can make your solution even better. We also will continue to work out how to test prototypical solutions. Learn about your audience, be it students and job starters, young families, young yet active elderly dropouts, or needy senior citizens. They all have different abilities and perspectives on your range of services. You'll find it helpful to think about important stakeholders to keep informed or integrated in your project's further progress and whom you can forget for some time. How do you select the right projects from a list? Which are the most promising criteria for separating wheat from chaff? Each communal starting position is unique. Just like the game between local interest groups and citizens, politics and administration. We show you how you gain the most important insights. It's about building up competencies of digital transformation in administration and applying them in an exemplary manner. Now regarding progress, which projects will give you a breather by giving you tangible results quickly? So you keep your stakeholders satisfied and you get trust and time for strategically important medium to long-term projects. Another question is how to communicate reached milestones once you successfully reach them. We will have a look at how to celebrate successes within the administration and with interested groups of the city society. We also touch the business side of the solution, look at market offerings and identify potential cost drivers. And finally, we will have a closer look at prototypes and testing. The more a prototype is developed, the more detailed the feedback from your audience will be. Feedback with which you then can plan the coming iterations of your solution. You'll get persona profiles that summarize compactly all relevant findings about your users. A stakeholder map with information on who needs to be involved how intensively. As well, there are tested and iterated prototypes of possible solutions. In addition, you'll have a business model sketch to further elaborate on. You still may need a more advanced package that guides you all the way up to the feasibility of an idea. We will look at what this solution looks like in the next session.